It's crazy to me. I get these thoughts sometimes where it's like, it's crazy how time really works. What I mean by that is, like, for an example, I'd like to say that I've been on a journey. Have developed like self-value for the last like 2 years plus. I've been really trying to focus on myself, really trying to focus on my financial situation, and it's crazy to me how those last 2 years, although they're necessary, I felt zero progress sometimes. Sometimes when you get stuck in this loop, when you're just full grind mode, you're not talking to anyone, you're shoving yourself up in your room or your basement, and you're just really trying to focus on your shit. Sometimes you might feel like, this week, what's really different from last week, right? But then when you look at the span of 2 years, how much you've developed your character, how much you've developed yourself. Don't get me wrong, I love YouTube, I love making videos, and I love documenting my life. But when I focus just on YouTube, especially as like a business, venture, I really didn't see much progress. And then I realized that YouTube might not be the best business idea. But it's just, I feel like I want to be free. I want to be completely free. When I decided that, like, YouTube, you might not be free, because at the end of the day, you're still relying on the YouTube platform to pay you. If you say something wrong or you do something bad, they cut out your pay and you're completely done. But I start to get into like online businesses, like other online businesses. And I came across dropshipping. Obviously, it's a very popular online business idea. I've always like heard about it, saw a little stuff. But then let's say a bit over 2, 3, 4 months ago even, I really started to take it seriously. I started to learn a lot from it and to actually try it myself. It's crazy how I've realized that these last 2, 3, 4 months, I've developed or learned so much more in the last year, 2 years in total. And it's crazy how it works, but those 2 years, it was necessary to get you to this stage, right? So for me, it was so crazy. Like, for an example, an update on my, business adventures. In the last 2 months, maybe, I've opened 3 different stores. They've all failed. I've got 0 sales. And I remember when I first opened my first store, it was, I don't know if you guys know the store, pickleball. I don't know the sport, pickleball. I saw it was a bit trending, so I wanted to try it myself. And I really thought, like, my first store, I was gonna make money. Like, I was so convinced, and it's a great mentality to have. But obviously, like I said today, all my stores have made 0 sales. But the thing is that with those failing stores, every store that I open now just gets this much better. Like, it gets way better. So for me, it was like, you have to go through the actual actions. You actually have to start doing stuff to learn. You could read, you could listen to podcasts, you could watch YouTube videos, all you want. But at the end of the day, the key is to actually do it yourself. You learn the most. And instead of like looking a lot at what other people, how they did it, at the end of the day, the most important is do it how you believe. At the end, like, do it how you think will do well. And if it does, great. Like, you're, good for you. If it doesn't, well, you learn. And you learn through your failures, right? Now, so my second store was finger ID door handle. The reason why I think that didn't work was because it was like too expensive for people. Like, a door handle did cost like $100. And personally for me, like, I looked at that product and I said, that's a crazy product. Like, I would buy it as well, but for $100, I'd probably be like, especially with inflation nowadays, it's crazy. So that didn't do well. Then I did online men's clothing store for a bit. I really thought that would do well. My issue with that is it's not really the business model idea where you would just create a clothing store and just shoot out products and test products. I think that actually still might do well. Again though, it is more difficult, especially for beginners, because clothes you can get anywhere. You can go down your street, you can go to your local, store and go get some clothes. People usually buy brands. So it's really hard to compete with, all those established clothing brands. And also I was targeting the wrong audience. Like, for an example, a mistake that I did that maybe you guys could learn from was we targeted kind of like the whole world. Like, we did a broad targeting. And the issue with that was we would get a lot of impressions. We would get a lot of link clicks. We would get a lot of people to our website. But we didn't get any purchases. And I really thought, like, why? What the hell? And it's because I've learned that there's actual quality in your audience. You can get a lot of impressions like I did, but if the people are not willing to actually go through the full process and buy it, that's an issue, right? So you also have to target quality audience. So it is crazy. Now, today, we're going to be, me and my friend, we're going to be starting a new store. We're going to be targeting women. We don't know exactly which product yet, but we're going to be targeting girls, women, and we're going to do TikTok ads because, again, I think that seems to be more the way to go for like a $50 product, let's say, maybe easier to manage. Because Facebook ads, as much as I've learned so much from that, it's still really complicated and I don't know a lot. So I'm excited to see where this goes. I just finished my exams, so the last week I've been really just focusing on that. Sadly, I've been so stressed because I really don't like my school, and I know I don't like it, but the reason why I'm in it is because I'm a bitch. Like, I'm gonna be straight up. There's no like way working around it. I know that I'll never use my degree. I know I'll never use the information I get from school. It's just, I'm a bitch. I don't want to take the jump without having any concrete, bone to lie on. So what I'm really trying to do is trying to make this drop shipping work while I'm doing in school. I hope like a lot of people watching this video, once you start to see results, then I can start to make the decision.